Well, friends, we are on the streets of Calgary again, and this is the biggest crowd ever since the craziness started. I think there is over 10,000 people here for sure. And again, this is the biggest that we've ever seen during the COVID era. And I hope that this is just the beginning, that the push will start and the Canadians will push even more and more and more. Exciting times. I mean, it's awesome to be alive today. I think the past generations were waiting with anticipation to see what we're seeing today. Canadians rising up, people standing together in solidarity with each other. It's like a repetition of history, and so exciting. You can feel the energy from the people. You feel the joy. I think the spark of hope entered their hearts. They see the light in the tunnel, and I'm telling you, I don't think they're going to let go of what they tasted today. Look at this.
My body, my choice! My body, my choice!
No wax passports!
Okay, guys, keep slow pace. No wax passport! No wax passport! No wax passport!
This is energetic. Wow.
No wax passport! 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 Bugsy, little Bugsy!
That's a happy freedom fighter.
Yes, she is.
No wax passport! 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 My body, my choice!
I don't know if you can see, but there's so many people filling the streets of Calgary. You can't see the end of the crowd. And of course, the politicians will say a handful of people showed up, and the mainstream media propaganda machinery will say maybe a couple hundred. I estimate there is over 10,000 people here for sure, coming to tell the elected and unelected officials, hey, back off from my body, back off from my children, back off from my business. Enough is enough. You have been destroying us for the past 2 years, and we are telling you no more. You have been harassing us for the past 2 years, officers, and the chief of police, Mark Neufeld, back off. You have become a tyrant. You have become a lawless, evil mafia personality. You have nothing to do with law and order. Resign. Mark Neufeld, the chief of police in Calgary, resign. You have become a disgrace to the police force. You have become a disgrace as the chief of the police force. It's time for you to go and move, hopefully as far as you can. It's time for a replacement. It's time for the people to take back what's rightfully theirs, which is their lives. It's about time. I am a CBC reporter reporting from location. Do you think there is about 2,000, 3,000 people here?
No, I'd say about 5 or 6 people. A fringe minority. They are crazy extremists. There's your CBC reporting.
Terrorizing the neighborhoods.
Yeah.
There you go. That's probably how the narration is going to go with the Goebbels propaganda machinery. The truth is, people are sick and tired of corruption. They're sick and tired of the politicians breaking the law. It's time for accountability. It's time to go after them and charge them for treason. And the people that are here, they're not hiding. They're not hiding their faces. They're not hiding behind the hoodies. They're not dressed in black, intimidating, harassing, hating, and cursing the people. Here is a peaceful protest. A people that just want to live their lives. They're sick and tired of the propaganda and the lie and the abuse of power. People are happy, joyful, young, old, men, women, families came together for freedom. When people come together, that's unstoppable power. When people say enough is enough, that's unstoppable power. Can't see the end.
No.
And it's more and more people coming.
Hey, I have a rush. And I am sorry for how you've been treated. Thank you! And you!
Thank you so
I lost
much.
my son.
What's up, Arthur?
How are you, mister?
Good.
God bless.
God bless.
Man!
Hello, mister. How are you?
Good, thanks.
A sound of freedom. A picture of freedom and a sound of freedom. Praise God, this is awesome. Free people acting as free. It's about time. Be blessed. I'm going to do now a live video. So see you shortly. Be blessed.